Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to translate your Shopify store into different languages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your shop accessible to customers around the world, which can seriously increase your sales and help your brand grow. Whether you're expanding into a new market or just want to make shopping easier for your international visitors, this step-by-step guide will get you started quickly and confidently. All right, let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify dashboard. You're looking for the Settings tab, so go ahead and click on that. Settings is really the control center for your whole store. It's where you can adjust everything from shipping to payments and, of course, languages. Head in there and look for the section labeled Languages. Once you're in the Languages area, you'll notice a straightforward option to add a new language. This is your gateway to reaching a whole new audience. Click on Add Language. Now, Shopify will show you a list of available languages. Take a moment to consider which language will serve your customers best. For example, if you have a lot of visitors from France, selecting French makes perfect sense. If you're not sure which to pick, you might want to check your analytics for visitor locations. But don't worry, you can always add more languages later as your store grows. Select the language you want to add by simply clicking on it. At this point, you'll need to assign this new language to your store. Shopify makes this process intuitive by asking you to choose which store you want to add the language to. If you run multiple Shopify stores, just be careful to select the right one at this stage. You want your translations to show up where your customers will actually see them. After you've selected your store, you'll need to assign the language. This basically means telling Shopify, yes, I want this language to be available here for shoppers. To do this, just toggle the language option to on. That little toggle switch is a big deal. It's like flipping the sign on your storefront to say, we're open for business in another language. Once you've done that, you're nearly there. Take a breath. The last step is simply clicking Done. Just confirm your choices and Shopify will handle the rest. Don't be alarmed if this part takes a couple of moments while the system updates. After it's finished, your store will be ready to show customers the new language option you've added. It's worth noting that while Shopify translates a lot of core elements for you, there may be some sections like product descriptions or custom content that you'll want to review for accuracy. Automated translations are a useful starting point, but making little tweaks yourself can make your store look professional and trustworthy, especially to native speakers. Think of it like seasoning a dish after you've cooked it. Those final touches really bring out the flavor. That's it. You've successfully added a new language to your Shopify store. You've just taken a big step toward making your business more accessible and welcoming to people around the globe. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. It really helps out. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's a specific language you're hoping to add next. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Shopify and e-commerce tips just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your international store.